ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेमदेवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। पेज नंबर 110 31st कारिका भाष्य सेकेंड लाइन। यथा च स्वप्नमाये दृष्टे असद्रूपे तथा विश्वमिदं द्वैतं समस्तं असद्दृष्टं। Just as swapna is understood as asat, maya is understood as asat, in the same way Jagrat Jagat, Idam Vishwa means Jagrat Jagat, is also asat wherever there is Dvaitam. Samastam Dvaitam asat. So this buddhi has to be there. The Jagrat Prapancha is mithya. This is what we started with. Jagrat Prapancho mithya drishyatvat swapna prapanchavat. That whole idea is being concluded here. Where is it said? Ko ityaha vedanteshu, in Vedanta. Now it is said in Vedanta, but it should become my darshan. This is how I should see, I should think. Tika. Third line. Gandharva nagarakaram chakararthaha. Yatha cha. So cha is for Gandharva nagara. Just as because Gandharva Nagar is explained first, then Swapnamaya. Neha nanasti kinchana ityadayo Vedanta. Where in Vedanta, which Vedanta mantra says? So it is said Neha nanasti kinchana. Now you say neha nanasti kinchana doesn't say Jagrat is mithya. You are just understanding and interpreting as per your convenience. Neha nanasti kinchana says there is no Dvaitam. There is no Nana. Iha means Brahmani. Iha Brahmani Nana Nasti. And you are saying Jagrat is mithya. So the connection is, in Jagrat there is Dvaitam. Shruti does Nisheda of Dvaitam. Therefore Dvaitam is mithya. द्वैतस्य वस्तुतः असत्वे स्मृतिमपि दर्शयति. So first let us see the mantras. नेह नानास्ति किंचन इंद्रो मायाभिः पुरुरूप ईयते. आत्मा एव इदमग्र आसीत् ब्रह्मैवेदमग्र आसीत्. So you will find all these first two quotations are Brihadaranyaka. Third quotation you have to take from Aitareya Upanishad. It might be there in Brihadaranyaka, but you should take Aitareya Upanishad. Then Brahmai Vedam Agra Asit. This is Brihadaranyaka. Dvitiyadvai Bhayam Bhavati Brihadaranyaka. Natu tad dvitiyam asti Brihadaranyaka. Yatra tu asya sarvam atma eva bhut Brihadaranyaka. All are Brihadaranyaka quotations. You can look for them, note down the number. It will help you memorize some of Brihadaranyaka. इत्यादिषु विचक्षणैर निपुणतर वस्तुदर्शिभिः पंडितैरित्यर्थः. विचक्षणैः, who are विचक्षण? निपुणतर वस्तुदर्शिभिः पंडितैः. Those who are nipunatar mean those who are experts in vastu darshanam, means recognizing the facts. Vastudarshibhihi panditaihi ityarthaha. Now in this context Smriti is quoted. तमश्वभ्रनिभं दृष्टं वर्षबुद्बुदसन्निभं नाशप्रायं सुखाधीनं नाशोत्तरमभावगम्. इति व्यास स्मृते. This is Veda Vyas. So in Mahabharata or somewhere he has given the nature of this world. Meaning of that is given in the Tika. So first general meaning is what? Actually this tamaha means darkness, and shwabra means bhuchidram, a hole. Do you get any idea from this word tama shwabra? It is dark and it is a hole. You know what it is? In Tika. But it could be black hole. What Vedvyas has written there, it is like a black hole. Black hole is where things just disappear. Thomas Schwabrah. So this creation is like a black hole. You all know what is black hole, right? There is a scientific theory on black hole. You can Google, you will find. So just as there is a hole in the earth and dark, it could be a hole in the space. Like this is this Drishya Prapancha. Tamashwabra Nibham Drashtam Varshabudbuddha Sannibham. And it is like how raindrops, when they fall. Yesterday only I was noticing when there was rain. When the raindrop comes, it forms a small bubble and it lasts less than 1 second. Budbuddha, Sannibham. Nibham, Sannibham means same, similar, Sadrisham. This Jagat is Nasha Prayam. Is just going to destruction. And Sukhadhinam, it is devoid of any Sukham. Nashottaram Abhavagam. After destruction, it goes to Abhava. Abhavam Gacchati iti Abhavagam. So this Jagat also is going to that Abhava. So here it is that Asat or Mithya Lakshana is described. See in Tika now. Tamasi Mandandhakare Rajvam Adhishthane Bhuchidram iti Yad Bhrantya Bhati Tannibham Tattulyam Vivekibhihi Vishwam Drashtam. So instead of, here the example is given, instead of Rajju, I see Bhuchidram in the Andhakara. So he has taken Tamaha as Tamasi and Shwabra means Bhuchidram. But actually Shwabra is only a hole and Tamaha means dark. So it could very well mean a black hole. The world is like a black hole. As you would have known it easily. Tat tulyam vivekibhihi vishwam drashtam. The world is seen by viveki in this way. Tacha ativa chanchalam, and this world is ativa chanchalam. Mind of people is also ativa chanchalam. All situations are ativa chanchalam only. Alakshitam, nasha prayam. Nasha prayam means even while I am watching, experiencing, vartamana kale api tad yogyata sattvat. Tad yogyata means nasha praya yogyata or chanchalatva yogyata is there. So when I see everything looks like as if it is steady, it is not. It is just disappearing. So we think we can relax, but we cannot relax. न च द्वैतम कदाचिदपि सुखकरम उपलभ्यते. And Dvaitam is never ever giver of Sukham. It is always Dukkhakrantam to Drishyate. Always possessed by, overpowered by Dukkham. Tacha Nashagrastam. It is gripped by Nasha, death. नाशादूर्ध्वम असत्वम एव उपगच्छति. After destruction it goes to asatvam. न तर्हि तस्य परमार्थत्वम प्रमाण अभावाद इत्यर्थः. And therefore it is not paramartham, there is no pramana. Means this world is not real, it is not the way it appears. One tippani is given, द्वितीयाद्वै भयं भवति इति द्वितीयं निंदन्स तस्य अतात्विकत्वम अभिप्रैति इति अभिप्रायः. When it is said द्वितीयाद्वै भयं भवति, means when there is dvaitam it is not good, means dvaita ninda is done, and ninda is always of something which is not real. A fact you should not do criticism. What is not a reality, but what is, what do they say, conjugated, made up, then it deserves criticism. Nahi tatvikam nindam arhati iti. Tatvika vastu doesn't deserve criticism. So what is criticized means it is not a fact. Now there is upasamhara of this topic, which, so from 1 to 31 this Jagrat Prapancha is mithya, that is explained. Now that same thing from Paramartha standpoint is explained. Pramana yuktibhyam Dvaita mithya. Before we go forward, so this yam bhavam darshayad yasya tam bhavam satu pashyati. So I always have felt that, if there are acharyas who teach dvaitam or vishishta dvaitam, dvaita dvaitam or shuddha dvaitam, some such thing, their followers, they will have that idea. They will say this alone is correct. Why? Because their guru has shown that idea. Yam bhavam acharya darshayet, tam bhavam satu pashyati. They will go on seeing that only. So in the Upanishads also, in Gita, they will see those shlokas, those mantras which justify their darshan. And Prasthana Chatushtayam, this Shuddhadvaita, Vallabhacharya ji and all, they have taken not Prasthana Trayam or Trayi, they have taken Prasthana Chatushtayam. They take Srimad Bhagavatam as Chaturtha Prasthana. And so if you include Bhagavatam, then Brahma is Saguna also and Nirguna also for them. Then Tanchavati Sabhutvasau, then that darshan will protect them. Their followers will follow those things only. And there is a thinking, that Westerners, they like Advaitam. But Westerners also follow all these bhakti margas in lot of places. And somebody had come here, they were telling me in Vrindavan and all, lot of area is purchased by Westerners, lot of land, and bhakti movement is also big, which is understandable. They would say, I'd rather take Bhagavan's name than get into all the dravya, guna, karma, samanya, vishesha, ityadi, ityadi. And this praga bhav, pradvansa bhav, etc. I take Bhagavan's name. Then if you take the Maharashtra saints, etc., they all also have followed this bhakti sampradaya and singing, etc. And then in Dakshina also a lot of saints have followed that. So whatever is shown by their acharya, their predecessors, the generations have followed that thereafter. And in samaj, in society, bhakti becomes easily popular. Jnanam doesn't become popular. Karma kanda doesn't become popular because it requires a lot of learning. But karma kanda is popular because it gives punya that people know. So in this way, darshana becomes available in the world. Okay. Then they are possessed by that idea that is there. Further now. प्रमाण युक्तिभ्याम द्वैत मिथ्यात्व प्रसाधनेन अद्वैतमेव पारमार्थिकम इति स्थिते निर्धारितम अर्थम संगृह्णाति. Through pramana and yukti, both pramana yuktibhyam, dvaita mithyatva prasadhanena, that dvaitam is mithya, this prasadhanam means this siddhi. Dvaita mithyatva siddhi, when it is done, then what is the result? Advaitam eva paramarthikam. If Dvaitam is mithya, Advaitam is reality. Iti sthite, when this happens, nirdharitam artham sangrihnati, the nirdharita artha, what is conclusively understood, it is now sangrihnati. Its sangraha is done. न निरोधो न चोत्पत्तिर न बद्धो न च साधकः न मुमुक्षुर्न वै मुक्तः इत्येषा परमार्थताः. न निरोधो that visarga should not be there. Paramarthata, not paramarthata. Visarga is incorrect. Paramarthata itself is bhavarupa sanya. So you don't need visarga there. What is paramarthata? Means paramartha tattvam, where there is no nirodha, dissolution, and there is no utpatti, creation. Srishti sthiti laya itself is not there. And nobody is baddha, nobody is sadhaka, nobody is a mumukshu, none is muktaha. Na baddho, na sadhaka, na mumukshu, na muktaha. Tika, shlokasya tatparyaartham aha. So he is explaining anyway what is the meaning of this. Bhashya, prakaranaarthopasangrahartho ayam shlokaha. प्रकरणार्थोपसंग्रहार्थो अयम श्लोकः। टू अर्थ अर्थ प्रकरणार्थोपसंग्रहार्थो। What is the meaning? What is the meaning of first artha? What is the meaning of first artha? What is the meaning of second artha? No, what is the meaning of artha, first artha? Purpose. And second artha? No, it is the other way. Prakarana artha. So first artha is meaning, and second artha is for Chaturthi Vibhakti. Second artha is for Chaturthi. First artha is in the sense of meaning. Like if I say, श्री परमेश्वर सिद्ध्यर्थम अहम पूजाम करिष्ये. So there परमेश्वर सिद्ध्यर्थम, अर्थ शब्द is there. What is the meaning of artha there? So for the sake of or for that purpose, so that is the second one, for. And first one here is meaning, prakaranasya artha. Prakaranasya artha prakaranarthah tasya upasangraharthah tasya upasangraha karanaya ayam shloka. This shloka is for that purpose. Yada vitatham. In other words, this prakarana, this subtopic in Vaitatya prakarana, its upasangraha means its conclusion, upasamhara is done. For that purpose is this shloka. Yada vitatham dvaitam आत्मा एव एकः परमार्थतः सन् तदा इदं निष्पन्नं भवति. When it is understood that Dvaitam is mithya and Atma alone is the Paramartha Vastu, Atma eva ekah Paramarthatah san, then tada idam nishpannam bhavati, then this becomes nishpannam, concluded. This gets concluded. Sarvoyam laukiko vaidikascha. Before that, just tika. Kosau prakaranarthaha tasya va sangrahe kim siddhyati. So you see, he has given that only. I said siddhyartham. He said kim siddhyati. Kaha asau prakaranartha. What is the meaning of this prakarana? What is the essence of this prakarana? And by its sangraha, what are we accomplishing? What is the purpose, as you said? Tadaha yada iti, yada vitatham. Vyavahar matrasya avidya vishayatvepi kim syat. If vyavahar matra is avidya vishaya, avidya vishayatvam means avidya vishayo yasya vyavahar matrasya saha vyavahar matra अविद्या विषय. All Vyavahara has avidya alone as its Vishaya. We saw this in Adhyasa Bhashya. Sarve Praman Prameya Vyavaharaha Laukika Vaidikasya Sarvani Cha Shastrani Vidhi Pratisheda Moksha Parani. All of them are avidyavad Vishayani. Bhashyakar has said. Api Sud Kim Syad iti che. Then what happened? Tada idam nishpannam bhavati. Chaturtha padartham aha. Now in Bhashya first. Sarvoyam laukika vaidika. Same. Oh, see here also. Sarvoyam laukiko vaidikascha vyavahara avidya vishaya. Sarvani cha shastrani, sarva pramanani, everything is avidya vishaya eva. Iti tada. When this is concluded, na nirodha, nirodhanam nirodha, pralayaha utpattir jananam, baddhaha samsari jivaha, sadhakaha sadhanavan mokshasya, मुमुक्षुर मोचनार्थी मुक्तो विमुक्त बंधः. निरोधनम निरोधः. प्रलयः उत्पत्तिः. निरोधः मीन्स प्रलय. उत्पत्तिः जननम. So there is no pralaya, there is no utpatti, no jananam. Then baddhah means sansari, jivah means sadhakah, sadhanavan. न बद्धः न साधकः न मुमुक्षुः. मोक्षस्य मुमुक्षुः साधनवान मोक्षस्य. मोक्ष is the sadhanam, or for moksha the one who is gathering sadhana means is called sadhakah. Mokshasya sadhanavan sadhakah. You should read that way, reverse. Then mumukshuhu mochanarthi, one who is seeking mochanam, mukti. And muktaha vimukta bandhaha is muktaha already. उत्पत्ति प्रलयोः अभावात् बद्धादयो न सन्ति इति एषा परमार्थता. उत्पत्ति प्रलयोः अभावात्, because there is no utpatti and pralaya, therefore there is no baddha sadhaka mumukshu mukta. If there is no creation itself, there is no jiva as baddha sadhaka etc. टीका. चतुर्थ पादार्थम आह उत्पत्ति. उत्पत्ति etc. explain. उत्पत्ति प्रलयोः अभावात् बद्धादयो न सन्ति इति एषा परमार्थता. दिस इज द चतुर्थ पाद. दिस इज द परमार्थ वस्तु, that if creation is not there, nobody is baddha sadhaka mukta mumukshu etc. This is actual reality, paramarthata. Uktamevartham prashna prativachanabhyam prapanchayati. Now, this meaning, through question and answer, he explains why there is no utpatti pralaya. Katham utpatti pralayoho abhavah ityuchyate. Why there is no utpatti pralaya? He says dvaitasya asatvat, because dvaitam is asat. Therefore, there is no creation. टीका. द्वैतासत्वं श्रुत्यवष्टम्भेन स्पष्टयति. Dvaita is asat is explained through Shruti. Shruti avashtambena spashtayati. Yatra hi. यत्र हि द्वैतम इव भवति, where there is द्वैतम इव, यह नानेव पश्यति. Again you see these are all बृहदारण्यक quotation. आत्मा एव इदं सर्वं ब्रह्म एव इदं सर्वं एकमेवाद्वितीयम् इदं सर्वं यदयम् आत्मा. All are Brihadaranyaka quotations. In previous one also, mostly all were Brihadaranyaka quotations. In general, Gaudapadacharya ji has taken lot of things from Brihadaranyaka. द्वैतस्य असत्वे कथम उत्पत्ति प्रलयौ न स्याताम. A question is asked. What is the meaning of these quotations? Yatra hi dvaitam eva bhavati. There is a dvaitam eva. Means really dvaitam is not there. Then iha nana eva pashyati. Here also nana is only eva. So really not there. Atma alone is everything. Other than Atma there is nothing. Brahma alone is everything. Other than Brahma there is nothing. Ekameva advitiyam. Sat is ekameva advitiyam. And idam sarvam yad ayam atma. Atma alone is all this. So by these quotations, ityadi nana shrutibhyo dvaitasya asatvam siddham. Dvaita is asat. That is what these shrutis are saying. टीका. द्वैतस्य असत्वे कथम उत्पत्ति प्रलयो न स्याताम. If Dvaita is asat, why there is no उत्पत्ति प्रलय? इति आशंक्य. किं द्वैतस्य तौ किं वा अद्वैतस्य तौ उत्पत्ति प्रलयो. That उत्पत्ति and pralaya, are they belonging to Dvaita or Advaita? इति आद्यम विकल्पम दोषयति. भाष्य. सतो ही उत्पत्ति प्रलयो वा स्यात् न असतः. उत्पत्ति is possible of that which is सत. सतः विद्यमानस्य. टिप्पणी. That which is vidyamana, only that will have utpatti or pralaya. Asat vastu cannot have utpatti pralaya. Like shashavishana dehe. Na asatah shashavishana. Shashavishan cannot have utpatti. Shashavishan cannot have pralaya. द्वितीयं प्रत्याह नापि अद्वैतम उत्पद्यते लीयते. एंड अद्वैत वस्तु कैनॉट हैव उत्पत्ति लय. सो थ्री थिंग्स आर देयर. परमार्थ सत, परमार्थ सत एंड असत. वंद्यापुत्र शशविषाण. एब्सोल्यूट रियल cannot have utpatti pralaya. Absolute asat cannot have utpatti pralaya. What is remaining? That which is neither sat nor asat, nor both. That is anirvachaniya. That alone will have utpatti pralaya. So Paramartha Vastu has no Utpatti Pralaya. Vyavaharika, first Bhashya. Advayam cha Utpatti Pralaya Vaccha iti Vipratishiddham. A thing is Adviti also and has Utpatti Pralaya also is contradictory. Vipratishiddham. व्यावहारिक द्वैत अंगीकारात तस्यैव उत्पत्ति प्रलयौ इति आशंका. Vyavaharic Dvaita you accept and say that alone will have Utpatti Pralaya. Purvapakshi says. So Siddhanti in Bhashya Yastu Punar Dvaita Samvyavaharaha Sa Rajju Sarpavad Atmani Pranadi Lakshanaha Kalpita iti Uttam. This Dvaita Samvyavahara, in the realm of duality, whatever Vyavahar is there, is Rajju Sarpavat Kalpita, like Pranadi Lakshana. From Prana all the way, all of them are Kalpita only. Tika Vimatas Tattvato Notpatti Pralayavan Kalpitatvat Rajju Sarpavat. This is the Anumanam. Vimataha Tattvataha na utpatti pralayavan. Vimataha here means Dvaita Samvyavaharaha. This transactional duality is devoid of Utpatti and Pralaya. Na Utpatti Pralayavan. Why? Kalpitatvat, because it is Kalpita. Rajju Sarpavat. So the Anumanam is this. Yat yat kalpitam tat tat tattvataha na utpatti pralayavan. Rajju Sarpa doesn't have tattvataha utpatti or pralaya. No real utpatti, no real dissolution of Rajju Sarpa. Why? Kalpitatva. So Dvaita Samvyavahar is also Kalpita. If it is Kalpita, it will also not have Utpatti Pralaya. Anumanam is clear? Everybody? Okay. Iti atra drashtanta siddhi. Siddhi mahashankya. So a doubt can be there. A drashtanta is a siddham of Rajju Sarpa. Iti ashankya Rajju Sarpasya Rajvam Utpatti Pralayau Manasi va Dvayorva iti vikalpya Prathamam Pratyaha. So if somebody says, no, what do you mean? Rajju Sarpa has Utpatti and has Pralaya. Then Siddhanti says, okay, the Rajju Sarpa, its Utpatti is in Rajju or in your mind or in both places. Rajju Sarpasya Rajvam Utpatti Pralayau, one vikalpa. Manasi, second vikalpa. Va Dvayor va, all in both places. Dvayoho, here is Saptami Dvivachanam. So where is this Rajju Sarpa? Prathamam Pratyaha, first one. You say Rajju in Bhashya, nahi manovikalpanayaha Rajju Sarpadi Lakshanayaha Rajvam Pralaya Utpattirva. Rajju Sarpa is Manovikalpana. Manovikalpanayaha Rajju Sarpadi Lakshanayaha Rajvam, in Rajju Utpatti or Pralaya is not possible. It is Manovikalpana only. So where Manovikalpana will not have anything outside in Rajju, etc. Rajjum Pashyatam Sarvesham Upalabdhi Prasangadityath. If it was in Rajju, all those people who are seeing that rope, all will experience the Utpatti. They will see in that Rajju, oh, some snake is coming out, and then that snake has dissolved. So it is not the case. Second, Dvitiyam Dushayati. Second Vikalpa is what? Manasi. न च मनसि रज्जु सर्पस्य उत्पत्ति प्रलयो वा. In your mind also rajju sarpa utpatti is not there. Why? Bahir upalabdhi virodhat ityartha. Because you are seeing it outside, and therefore you can't say its utpatti is in your mind. It is outside. Bahir upalabdhi. But you can say Pasyanatmani Maya Bahiriva Udbhutam Yatha Nidraya. But anyway, further, so Acharya only has given that shloka. Acharya only says Nacha Manasi. Tritiyam Nirasyati Nacha Ubhayatova. Not in both places, outside and inside. उभयतो मनोरज्जु लक्षणे न रज्जु सर्पस्य उत्पत्ति प्रलयौ युक्तौ. उभयतः मनोरज्जु लक्षणे means that sarpa is from mind also and from rajju also. Manorajju lakshane means manascha rajjuscha. Manorajju tal lakshanam yasya sarpasya. So sarpa has this lakshana. If that is the case, na rajju sarpasya utpatti pralayau yuktau. Why? Dvaya adharatva anupalambat. Both cannot be adhar, inside as well as outside. Rajju sarpavat dvaitasya manasatva avisheshat na tatvata janma vinashau darshaitum shakyau iti darshtantikam aha. So when it is said all this is projection of your mind, all this is creation of your mind, such shlokas are also there. न हि अस्त्य विद्या मनसोतिरिक्ता मनो हि विद्या भवबंध हेतु तस्मिन् विनष्टे सकलम विनष्टम विजृंभितेस्मिन् सकलम विजृंभते. So there it is only अन्वय व्यतिरेक to show that when mind is present, all this is present. When mind is absent, all this is absent. But it's not necessary that mind is utpatti karanam. Mind can be the nimitta for experience. Mind need not be the karanam for utpatti. Swapna Drashtanta, in that there is no external thing. Swapna is not outside. No, that is correct. But that outside is also not outside of mind. Rajju Sarpa, when you say, when you say I am experiencing, you say it is experienced in Bahirdesha. In Swapna, when you say inside and outside, both are inside the mind. So that is the difference. रज्जु सर्पवत् फर्दर in टीका द्वैतस्य मानसत्व अविशेषात्. रज्जु सर्प is मानसिक मानसत्व. 4 number टिप्पणी says मानसत्वम मनस्फुरणत्वम. It is manaspuranam, manaspandanam, रज्जु सर्प. न तत्वतो जन्म विनाशौ दर्शयितुं शक्यो इति दार्ष्टान्तिकमाह. So, okay, here what he is saying is, there is no real utpatti from rajju, and there is no real utpatti from mind. Real utpatti from mind means like a yogi or Ishvara, how their manas sankalpa srishti is there, like that this srishti is not. And our mind, if it projects something, that is not considered as a vyavaharik utpatti. Yogi's mind or Ishvara's mind can create something vyavaharik. Our mind will create only pratibhasika. So that is this manasatva avisheshat. Rajju sarpavad dvaitasya manasatva avisheshat. So that Rajju sarpa is manaspuranam only. It is not a vyavaharik vastu. So our mind also, if it creates something, it is also not vyavaharika, it is pratibhasika. Pratibhasikattvasya avisheshat. Rajju sarpa is pratibhasika. Our mind creating something is pratibhasika, and there is nothing, no vishesha. Na tattvato janma vinashau darshayitum shakya. So there is no vyavaharik janma vinasha. It is only pratibhasika. तथा मानसत्व अविशेषात् द्वैतस्य. So Dvaita is also similar. Manasatva is there. Means it is also not vyavaharika. In this case, you have to understand it as pratibhasika. Dvaitam also. Or you can use this also that here manasatva is there, means it is not paramarthika. Just as Rajju sarpa is not paramarthika, means not vyavaharika, Dvaita is not paramarthika, means Dvaitam is not absolute. But we have to remember, Rajju sarpa is manushya manakalpana, and Dvaitam is Ishvara manakalpana. This will be the bheda. So manasatva avisheshat, when it is said, Rajju sarpa is also manasika, Dvaitam is also manasika. But Dvaitam is not our mind's projection. This way you can take. Rajju Sarpa is our mind's projection. Whatever is individual mind's projection is available only to individual. Whatever is total mind's projection is available to total. If I see somebody is good or bad, if I think somebody is giving me joy or sorrow, it is your manasika kalpana. It is not samashti. But the sun and the moon and stars and planets, which we all experience, that is not our manasika. This samashti mana is there. द्वैतस्य कुतश्चित् तात्विकौ जन्म विनाशा न इति शेषः. Dvaita will never have tatvika janma vinasha, only prativasika. Manasatva asiddhim ashankyaha. Somebody may ask, maybe it is not manasika, it is real. Ataha. Before that, nahi niyate manasi sushupte va dvaitam grihyate. Dvaitam will not be there if mind is controlled. Niyate means samadhina niruddhe or sushupte, then dvaitam is not there. And therefore, he says it is based on mind. Means mind is the instrument, you can take this way. Mind will become nimitta for dvaita grahanam. If you follow strictly, you will have to go to Ekajivavada. Because if next sentence says, Ato mano vikalpana matram dvaitam iti siddham. Dvaitam is mano vikalpana. Again, you will have to think this way. Just as Swapna Prapancha is my projection, Jagrat Prapancha is Hiranyagarbha's projection. That is true. Iti siddha. Nacha mano dvaitasya darshana matre nimittam iti yuktam. मनोद्वैतस्य दर्शन मात्रे निमित्तम इति न युक्तम. ब्रह्म सिद्धस्य अज्ञात सत्तायां प्रमाण अभावात्. The मानसिक द्वैत is darshana matre nimittam. Means it is not there, only darshana is there. He says brahma siddhasya ajnata sattayam pramana bhavat. Something which is brahma siddha, you cannot say it is ajnata, having ajnata satta. Means it is there but nobody knows. Something which is there but nobody knows is not possible. Brahma Siddha Vastu cannot have Ajnata Satta. Brahma Siddha Vastu should have Jnata Satta. Ajnata Sattayam Pramana Bhavat. Iti Abhipretya Prakritam Upasammarati Tasmat Suktam Dvaitasya Asatvat Nirodhati Abhavaha Paramarthata Iti. Dvaitam is asat, therefore there was no nirodha, etc. So this manodvaitam does not have only darshana matre nimittam. Dvaitam becomes nimitta only for darshana is not true. That Vakya, it can be taken differently also. Manaha, you can take this way also. Manaha द्वैतस्य दर्शन मात्रे निमित्तम इति न युक्तम. Mind becomes nimitta only for experiencing Dvaitam is also not true. Why? Something has to be there. Okay. Om.